today's experiment it is to measure the flash point and fire point of the oil sample. So for today's experiment we selected the cooking oil to do the experiment. So we have the electrical element and we have the cup. In the cup it has a level. Up to the level we fill it with the oil sample, and we have a thermometer in degree Celsius up to 400 degree Celsius. So what we have to do, we start the heater and the temperature of the sample will be increased. We have to see the temperature, and meantime we have the flame. The flame should pass through the surface of the oil. This is the cooking oil. So after some time of heating, we see that the vapor, or let's say the oil, it is vaporizing. You see that some smoke is coming. If and always we have to keep passing this flame at the surface of the oil. If the amount of vapor is enough, it will make a flash. It means that for a second or less than a second, the fire will come and vanish. It will not sustain. So because we don't know that at what temperature it happens, we have to keep doing this process and record the temperature. The first temperature and the first flash that we observe, this is the flash point temperature. We continue heating until the fire will come. It means that once we reach to the flash point, different flashes will come and go, until we reach to the fire point, that the continuous fire will be there. Okay, so we already started the heater and we have to observe the temperature. Currently temperature it is 25 degree centigrade or Celsius. This is the room temperature that we start the experiment. We don't keep the flame at the surface because we don't want to heat it from the top. All the heat should be from the bottom to be uniform heating, okay? Because we want to have the uniform heating, not in one point only. That's why we don't keep the flame here. Only passing the flame through the surface, okay? So this is the way that we do the experiment. Is matter of observation to find the first temperature that we see that the smoke is flashing, and the first temperature that we see the fire. After we see the fire, we stop the experiment and we set the fire down.
Set it now. You set it at different time. I will leave it somewhere after the clock. Share it now, share.
See, now the temperature it is 140 degrees Celsius, and we see that slightly the smoke is coming, but once I'm passing the flame, still there is no flash or fire it is forming. So we have to continue and we have to keep moving the flame over the surface. It is too much.
Know when the spark will come.
Now it is 260. I think it was around 310, which I remember, 320. Yeah, I think. Yeah.
And
Now it is the flashing. You see that for a few minutes it's coming. Now the temperature it is 272.
272 degrees Celsius.
See, if I continue, more flashes will come and go. We continue until we have the constant fire. Now the temperature keep increasing. See, several flashes is coming, but still no fire. Temperature is 310 and still
310, sir.
yeah 310, but still no fire point. Now it is firing. Start to fire. You see the flash is staying for longer time. It is the starting of fire. Now we can record temperature. It is 320 and the fire is there. Okay, 320 is a fire point temperature. Now we have to kill the fire. Yes, this is flash point and fire point. There is a difference between flash, which the fire is coming but it's not sustaining, and if we continue, we see that several flashes will come until the smoke which is evaporating from the liquid, it is enough to make a sustainable fire. The first point that we see the fire, we record it as a fire point temperature. Okay, so this is the flash point and fire point temperature of cooking oil. We can do the same experiment for different sample like motor oil, like other heavy diesel oil or whatever it is petroleum product. We can do the same experiment.